Hello my dear champions, I hope all of you are doing good. It's time to switch back from your science to mathematics in your preparation of PU2 boards, and I'm here to help you understand that I understand many of you are not somebody who's aiming to score 80 out of 80. You might be looking to score a safe marks or pass, but don't worry, for all of you also I have something in the bucket. What is that? You can score 60 marks if you follow these 6 chapters properly. I'm gonna give you the list of chapters. I'll show you how you can do that also from all the chapters in different sections. Okay, so let's start a session. I understand this is very important class for all of you, so do not forget to watch till the end and subscribe to our channel, because everything that we are doing right now will be of big help beta to all of you. Okay, so if you miss to subscribe, simply you lose marks. Okay, because I'm here, our team is here to not create nonsense. We are here to just help you in a best way possible. If you have followed our previous sessions, you'll know that in a better way then, but still if you are new, just give me a chance, subscribe to the channel and see what we are giving to all of you, and solve all the questions that I'm giving you, follow all the insights that I'm giving you to all, and you will see your preparation getting boosted up, and you will have a better score, certainly an improved score. Okay, so subscribe right now. And why subscribe? Because to keep the notification bell on, be a part of our WhatsApp community to get all the PDFs and everything. Okay, so I know you are here for 6 chapters list, and these are the 6 chapters. Sir, we know these 6 chapters, we know the weightage, but let's check. I'm here to not only tell you this, you have seen that in blueprint, you know that very well, but beta, I'm here to actually tell you that this is possible. You see this, you know this, but still you don't believe in this. Let me show you. Chapters are very simple. This is an easy one, easy one, easy one, easy one, easy one, and easy one. Means out of the 6 chapters, first 5 is very easy. First 5 is very easy. This is little bit difficult, I'll say. Little bit difficult, not as a teacher but as student, you guys feel that way, that's why I'm saying little bit difficult. So 6 chapters are listed over here. They're corresponding as per your latest blueprint. Weightage is given over here. Okay, highest being in integration 18, 17 in your C&D. I'm saying subtract your 6 marks because I know you're gonna solve, all of you will solve LPP question. You all are planning to solve what? LPP question. So that 6 marks is taken care of from here. Means you have to score only 10 to 12 marks in integration. That's possible. Let me show you. If you choose to go with C&D, you have 3 MCQs, 1 2 marker, 3 marker, okay, and 1 5 marker, 1 4 marker is also there, the definition of continuity based question. Okay, so if you choose the MCQs of these chapters, okay, you get all 1 markers correct, and if you do that, you end up with 13 marks right from these 6 chapters. And one thing is for very sure, that if you are following me properly, if you are following my guidance, I'll help you score not only 13 but out in MCQs. That is a must. It's gonna happen. Okay, just follow my class, follow my live sessions for MCQs, take my inputs when I'm asking you to prepare MCQ tricks. Okay, when you do that, you'll end up with out score in MCQs. So still, let's say forget about out, you can get 13 out of these 6 chapters. If you attempt, how many questions you can attempt in 2 markers? 6. But in these chapters only 5 are there. If you attempt that, you get 10 marks. How many is 3 marker you can attempt? Again, you can attempt 6 questions in 3 marker also. That's the maximum number of allowed questions, right? So 6 questions are going to be attempted in 3 marker, but in these 6 chapters you can choose any 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 are there. That becomes 15 marks. Okay, 4 marker you check, you have 2 questions that is there, but you have to choose any one of them. So if you choose any one of them, you get 4 marks. 5 markers, again you can choose all 4, that becomes 20 marks, 5 4 are 20. Okay, and 6 marker, if you want, you can choose from integration, or you can choose a simple question from LPP, whatever is your choice, up to you. Okay, now if you take all the total of these marks, this is total of blueprint, but if you see, achievable marks from here becomes 13 in MCQs, 10 in 2 marker, 15 in your 3 marker, 4 in 4 marker, 20 in your 5 marker, and 6 in your 6 marker. Take the sum, this value becomes 68 marks. Now tell me, if you properly learn these chapters with LPP, if you want to, what do you get? You get easily 60 plus. So of course I know that you all knew very well that, sir, we know if we solve these chapters we get 60 plus. But not only that, I'm here to tell you it is possible to do that. It's not a theory, it's not a story, it is a practical thing. you are completely there to score 60 plus marks from these 6 chapters. 100% possible, even though if you find integration difficult, because 6 marks over here is taken care of LPP. Other 12 marks MCQs are easy. Okay, 2 marker will be an easy question in integration based upon substitution method or some other type of formula based question. In 3 marker there will be one question from either your what you call your partial fractions, or you'll be a question on a substitution method or a particular function, something like that. Okay, so then again in the 4 marker there's no question in integration. In 5 marker there'll be a particular function derivation. If you want, you can do that. You can do the other alternative questions from AOI also. If you don't want this 5 marker of integration, the proof, you can choose to skip AOI. Again, if it was me writing, I'll just choose integration chapters. But if you are somebody who struggles, there might be some of you in the session who will say, sir, I don't like integration. Then yes, the difficult questions of integration, 6 marker and 5 markers, I am asking you, if you want, in 6 marker choose LPP, in 5 marker choose AOI, straightforward ellipse question, circle question, or parabola line combinations are possible. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. I hope this gives confidence to all of you, knowing that yes, what sir is telling, that from 6 chapters I can actually score 60 plus marks. Okay, this is 68, I'm saying 60 plus. Let me know how many of you feel that in the comment section. It is possible, sir. Put in the comment section 6 chapters 60 marks in the comment section, and share this session with all of your friends who are struggling in mathematics and they have a chance to score well by following my strategy and following my sessions. Okay, you got to help me out. I have to help you out. It is a two-way deal. Okay, and help your friends also, help your classmates also who are struggling in mathematics. Let them also score good marks in their boards. Okay, because it's not a competition. If your group of people are all doing good, means your progress is certain. Okay, you should surround yourself with a good people. Okay, means progressive people, and that can be happen only if you share the good things with them as well. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and be a part of our community by joining the WhatsApp channel. Link for all that will be given in the description. Go and check it out right away. Okay, and one more thing regarding the updates of your crash courses. So I hope you all know that we have 3 offers going on right now. The ongoing offers that we have, one is for ABHYAS test series. This is going on at 999. Okay, means we have reduced the price for ABHYAS so that you all can afford it, because we saw many comments that, sir, we want to take but we can't afford it really. So please make it reduce the price. So we talked to the management and they agreed with us, and the price is reduced to 999. So take the price over there for ABHYAS test series. Number 2 is your KCET KC30, the crash course. Okay, this is priced at 2499. This price is actually again offers price, so take it up right now. It might increase, you might end up losing the offers. Okay, and the last one is for offline Lakshya KCET we have for this course that's going on in the centers, means because many of you who are studying for boards over here but might feel more comfortable, okay, might want to get practiced with the team who's been preparing and giving the results for so many years at Deeksha. If you want to study with them, offline Lakshya KCET crash course is there. In this you're getting a 3,000 rupees off. These are 3 offers, so do not forget to enroll into your choices. Okay, again all these link will be given in the video's description, so go ahead, find that link out and take a informed and decision which is based upon discussion with your parents also. Okay, it's very important to include them also in the discussions. So that is all from me in this session where I talked about 6 chapters to score 60 marks in PU2 Maths. If you want something more from me, in the comment section ask me whatever you need. I'm gonna deliver it to all of you. I'll hold your hands until unless you go to your boards exam and come out saying that, sir, thank you so much, this is what we needed, and that's why I'm here. Okay, all the best for your preparations, and ask me all your questions in the comment section. All the best, take care, bye bye.